Welcome, everybody. Welcome to your daily body armor. I'm Tank, coming at you with another way to bulletproof your body and be your best self. The double dumbbell or double kettlebell hollow hold. Now, many of you guys, might do hollow holds in your training, and you're getting to the point to when you can do them for a pretty long time. But you're looking at a way to which you can load it up a little bit more, make the movement a little bit more challenging, um, and work on other things while you're working on the hollow hold, right? So this brings in the double kettlebell or double dumbbell variation. Now, as we're holding the weight up overhead, we're not only getting shoulder stabilization, right, but we're also taxing the midline a little bit more. Remember, points of key performance here. One, as it's up overhead, okay, we want that low back glued to that ground. Okay, the low back glued to the ground. We want the feet together, right? And the farther you move your arms back, the harder the movement's going to get. So go ahead, give this a go. Grab some light dumbbells or light kettlebells. Dive into this, add this into your warm ups, add this into your training, right? As a way to build a stronger midline, which is going to help you with that back pain and also help you with the performance that you're lacking in the gym, as well as help bulletproof your body for the future as you move forward and continue to train. So, guys, give it a go, build it in. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you never miss a way to keep on being awesome and being your best self. And we'll see you here tomorrow on the Daily Body Armor here at Grand Oak Red PT. Have a great day, guys.